Good afternoon, Sunday afternoon. We're in the yard. We're having a bit of a tidy up day. We've loaded the lorry, get ready for stuff we've got to take out tomorrow. Got the service van ready. We've got to go and do a job with it tomorrow morning down in Auburn, in Hertfordshire. Now we're just having a bit of a tidy up on the driveway. Those who know us here, our drive's quite long, and it's got a load of trees down one side of it, but we could have to mow with a little ride-on mower. We have to go down and cut some of the lower branches off quite regularly, just keep it make it easy and safe to mow. So this is what we're on this afternoon. As you can see, we've got along with the chainsaw and cut some of the lower branches off, tied them all up. A few of our traders there. The trailer stack's going down at the moment. We're getting out, getting them serviced. Ready. The harvest is creeping up very, very quick. We would like to have all them done by now, but I don't know where the time goes. So we've been going down the drive, cutting all the low branches off, and we've got young Eric on the tractor this afternoon. Now, when I was a little boy, anything we did on the farm and we had a tractor involved, I was there, and so I'm sure my granddad used to get the tractor out for me to use, just so that I'd end up helping. But here we have young Eric and Michelle collecting up the branches that we've cut off. I think young Eric's quite taken with our little 6810 tractor. He spent the other afternoon cleaning it and polishing all inside the cab, and I think that's now his little pride and joy. Let's have a look in the cab. It's a lot cleaner than what it was. Seat's a bit torn, but nice tractor. Starts on the button. Off of a local farm. R.E. Reed at West Ashby, which is probably 4 or 5 miles down the road. And it was sold by a local dealer, J.T. Friснey, who packed up probably 3 or 4 years ago. Super little tractor. Very useful, nice size. Eric's quite taken with it, aren't you, Eric?
Hey?
You like the little tractor now, don't you?
Oh, it's brilliant.
It's brilliant. It's brilliant. So we've got a week's trailer made in Hull. That's probably 50 years old as well. Probably as old as me nearly. But there we go. So Eric likes the tractor. Michelle, you look out of breath.
No,
Got a Grassman t-shirt on there. Look, got the Grassman. We like the Grassman. Now we're talking mental health in agriculture. Big thing. Support it. So, right. Haven't done a good job clearing it all up there. Look what I've done the drive. Yeah. Very, very smart. Morning, sun's shining, everybody should be happy. So we've got lots going on in the yard today. Harvest is going to creep up on us at great speed. So we've got a lot of traders we're trying to get ready. In an ideal world we'd have had them ready by now, but I don't know where the time goes. So quick look around the yard, what we're up to. We have a vast array of fuel tanks and Bowsers that are ready. So if anybody out there needs a fuel tank, fuel Bowser, almost any colour. If we haven't got the colour you like, we'll soon do you one of the colour you like. Some diesel mixers there, good used diesel mixers, all for sale. Genuine JCB telehandler buckets there. If you need one of them, give us a call. Brand new water bowser there for sale. As you can see, a vast array of tanks. 500 litre, some refurbished, some in good order, some that we haven't refurbished. There's a 4,500 litre one there. There's a 5,000 litre agricultural tow bowser there for sale. We're not going to refurbish that one. I think it's tidy as it is. I think sometimes we refurbish it, maybe put it out of someone's price budget. So that's for sale if you need that. One of our hire telehandlers, make the most of it while it's here. It won't be very long. There's my old JCB lurking over here. We must get around and do that at some point. But traders here ready for customers to collect. Right, we're going on a tour of the yard.
Good morning, Captain.
I caught you out there. I didn't have to say, Michelle didn't say you looked busy this time, did she?
I wasn't looking busy, that's right. I'm trying not to.
For those that are wondering, Chris is busy on mixer duty. He's going to hide now. Piers is busy putting pumping a tank. No panic, but he's been collected at lunchtime. He's got that in hand. He's all right. No worries. Now, Tim, he's got his toolbox out, you see?
Just don't ask.
Are you having a good day, Tim?
Not really.
Not really.
Not really.
Tell the world your worries.
Well, I'm not really worried. I'm here to solve problems, not to worry about it. But I can't find an electrical fault at the minute.
This is challenging. We have our own highest fork truck here that has a very, very niggly electrical problem. And obviously there's only one man for the job.
That's Chris.
But Chris is busy.
Yeah.
Piers is busy. Paul's busy. I'm rushed off my feet as always. Harvey is in the office. So it's Tim. So all he's got to do is just find out why we're blowing fuses.
Well, I've traced the circuit, and I think now I'll need to look at the seatbelt warning.
The seatbelt warning?
Yeah, the switching in somewhere for that, and a seatbelt warning timer.
Right.
So I've got to find it. It's here somewhere.
Just somewhere in amongst all of this. But I've got great faith in Tim.
Please you have.
Yeah. So moving on from there. Moving on from there, there's a lot going on in the workshop. An awful lot going on in the workshop. We get busy getting traders ready, aren't we as well, Tim?
I was yesterday, but now I'm trying to fix a forklift.
We will update you later on the progress of the forklift. Shall I return in what, 10 minutes, Tim?
Give us a couple of days.
A couple of days. Okay.
I'll find it. I will find it.
Remember what that great entrepreneur once said, you know, that leader of men, he who dares, Rodney?
I will find it.
We'll find it. We've got no choice. Yeah. Why is that, Tim? Because
Failure's not an option.
That wasn't even scripted, you know that? You just straight off the cuff. Anyway, apart from that, are we happy in our workshop today?
I'm having a marvellous time.
No, is the mood in the workshop happy?
Very good.
The mood in the workshop is good, isn't it?
I feel as a representation, I am just giving everybody that uplift that they need.
We do have a happy workshop now, don't we?
I'm very happy.
It's actually quite, what's the word?
What was that?
Encouraging. Out in the yard, 4 2,000 litre fuel bowsers, all for one customer. Just being got ready. Paul, you're just doing a few finishing touches to them. Yeah, he's got his pot of paint. He's got his pot of paint, a few finishing touches. He's a natural, that brush, isn't he? A natural. Paint shop's busy over there. Shop last man's busy, but he's a bit noisy over there, so I won't go near him. Yeah, plenty of stuff going on. So busy yard and a happy yard. Paul, have we got a happy yard?
We have now.
We have now, yes. Yeah. Good answer. 2 more grey 2,000 litre tanks there, not sticking up yet, but they are both sold. Waiting finishing. But, just look at the shine on that paint. Alan really does do a brilliant job with that. Don't worry, quite a lot of grey at the moment. Quite a neutral colour. Looking good. Remember, if you need a fuel tank, buy, hire, whatever, you know where to come to. Timmy's playing tractors again. He's just been to a customer come in for 2 stylish trailers. We need to put a new sticker on there. Stickers.
Back into the pond, didn't you?
That would have made good YouTube, wouldn't it? That would have made good YouTube. Anyway,
being a skilled operator.
on a positive note, yesterday, when Tim was working on the forklift, he did come running around the yard with it. But unfortunately, I can't find the video footage of that.
Oh, that's a
So unfortunately, we did lose the video footage of that.
That's awful.
But it is working. Paul is over there. He's using it. Look. So, look. It's working. Jobs are good. So, Tim would like to say that he found his technical fault, but he hasn't really got a clue what he did, really, have you?
No, wiggled it.
He just wriggled it a bit, yeah. So that's working, but forklift's working. So, there we go. So anyway, Tim, how are you feeling this week as a percentage? Come on. We're trying to get people to put it on the YouTube. The boxes below.
Well, yesterday I was about 82.
Right.
But today we're down at about 63 maybe.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Well, I'm feeling about. I'm about 80% at the moment. I'm getting better.
A bit tired today.
Here's proof. Forklift is fixed. Paul's busy. Hasn't got all his engine cover back on yet. It's working. Paul's done the job. Loading our lorry. We're on it. Job's good. Alan's busy standing down, doing a good job. What a crazy week. Silage season's in full swing. Silage traders are flying out the door all over the UK. I think the weather we've had, there seems to be an awfully good crop of grass. Telehandler hire going out. We have some new ones turn up this week. Very nice. Although the cost of these telehandlers is getting scary. We have to pay for them. Yeah, so we had lots of machinery going out, lots going on, and let alone the cereal harvest will very soon be with us. Thanks for watching our video this week. Sorry it's a bit random. Please put the boxes below how you feeling. So I'm about 80%, Tim's about 60%.
62
Please put the box below also where you're watching from, which is fascinating to see the different countries and where you are. And any comments below, please put them in there. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to click and subscribe, ring the little bell, well, you know the full works. And
subscribing's free.
It's free, absolutely free. And we'll see you all again next week. Thank you very much.